Hello once again and greetings from FreeBird. Today I'm gonna show you a very simple tutorial on a very beautiful Hindi song called Subhanallah. And I'm not really sure of how it is pronounced because I'm not really good at Hindi, but the music is really beautiful, so I want to show you. It's quite simple because it is not complicated. It's played on a very simple chord in the power chord of A. So this is where you play the A chord. You have to play here on the 5th fret. You take your index finger, hold it down on the 5th fret. You play around with the rest of the fingers, the index, the ring finger, and the pinky, and then use a little bit of hammering. We call this hammer. So here is how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna play in a very, very slow version. Then the cycle continues.